Hopefully you've signed up for the cleaning festival that's coming up over the next couple months. Go to www.cleaningfestival.com and sign up today for free admission. Vectair is very excited to be participating in these shows, and we will be showing some of our latest and greatest air care innovation. What you'll see is Vibe Pro, our latest technology that really emphasizes no VOC, no aerosols, and very small microns that actually float in the air for longer periods of time in both your restrooms and your public areas. We'll also be focused on Sensimist, our outside the restroom scenting process, very similar to essential oils and top of the line air fragrances. So we're very excited to see you. Come see us at the booth, and we will see you at the cleaning festival. Thanks.